today we are going to unbox my Dreamer Designs haul. Box 1 of 1. So I actually ordered these a while ago and haven't opened the box, which is probably not the best practice to do. But Christmas was just so crazy, and yeah. So I did a little haul with Dreamer Designs. If you're not familiar with them, gosh, I only found them because of Instagram, because Instagram stalks you. But I bought some cute little things here. So I'm going to pull these out and then I'll show it to you. Okay, as you can see, I have two different boxes, or looking boxes, with the artwork and whatnot. Also, you'll notice they have handles, so that's always appreciated. Then you can pick them up, but unlike, whatchamacallit, Diamond Art Club, they don't have the picture right here. Instead, the only place to find what the heck you bought is on the bottom, right here. Look at that. That's like the hardest angle to film, too. So I'm going to open these up just so you can see what they are. Now, both are, I'm going to butcher his name, Curtis Reikovit. I don't know. These are the only ones I buy from Dreamer Designs. And it's simply because his artwork is so pretty and creepy. And I just love it. Love it, love it. Okay. So, what do we have? Oh no. Not so nail-friendly boxes. Alright. So this one is called Susie Snowflake. Oh my gosh. That's right. I got this one because I wanted it for winter. Okay. So check out their packaging. First of all, once it slides from the box, you have this whole nifty little bag. Their packaging is actually really cute. Okay, let me open the bag here. So out comes your diamond painting with a bow. Yes, I'm easily amused by packaging. Okay, I'm going to set that off to the side because I'm going to keep it. Now, I love their super soft little, it's almost velvety bags. Oh no, did they double knot this? So I'll show you a toolkit here. Similar to, whatchamacallit, Diamond Art Club. I'm really struggling today. You get some goodies, but you get more goodies with them than you do Diamond Art Club. Okay, so purple is their color. Keep that in mind. Now, some of their older kits are not going to have all of this. They're phasing these new ones in. So you get baggies. You get 2 purple waxes. This is going to take me a minute. You get tweezers, regardless if it's square or round. You get the cool little brushy so that you can get your diamonds out, actually, which I really appreciate, by the way. Okay, then you get 2 placer pens. These ones here are great for the ABs, unlike these ones. And then you get, oops. So we have a flat one, and then, what is that, a 6? Doesn't say. So you get I want to say a 6, 5 or a 6. And then check out, hang on a sec. Ooh. Check out the tray. It's huge. And let's see if this thing will pop up. There we go. So you have a little plastic piece that pops on and off. I will be completely honest with you. These are such a pain that I just leave them off. But it's a huge tray, which is nice because, with your Diamond Art Club ones, you get the small dinky little tray. Okay. Now, they don't give you a cover minder like Diamond Art Club. So you get all these little doodads, but no cover minder. I do like that they include the brush, though. I wish Diamond Art Club would do that. I really don't need 2 placers. I think that's kind of overkill. But You know, every company has to have their thing that's unique, and that is what Dreamer Designs is doing. Okay, are we ready for this? Hang on. Whoop. Oh no! Some of my tape got stuck. That's okay. So, we had a little packaging mishap over there. Let me just get that off. They've got their instructions. They even give you little tips and tricks, which are cool. They talk about the checkerboard pattern, which helps you get straight lines. I suck at the checkerboard pattern. I end up doing worse. Close your wax caddy. Prevent static by using dryer sheets. And then always, you know, using a multi-placer when you can. Yeah, I totally agree. All right. And then they have just some basic instructions on how to diamond paint. Ooh, and 15% off. Now, they're just like Diamond Art Club. You do get rewards points and all that, so keep that in mind. Look how dark this is. Okay, so here she is. Rajkovic? Yeah, there we go. Susie Snowflake. Look at this. It's so dark and so pretty. And 51 freaking colors. But look at that. It's all purple and blue and oh my gosh, I love it. Plus, they give you extra little stickers. So yeah, you do get the sticker chart with them. Holy cow. No, I'm not gonna open the drills. We'll do that another day. But look at these colors. All the purples and blues. Oh, it's gonna be dark. I need to kit this one up because winter is not gonna last forever, and this is such a January painting to me. Okay, look at this gorgeous thing now. It is 23.6 inches by 31.5. Dreamer Designs likes to do them big. But look at that. I mean, what's nice is we have tons of color blocking in the background, and even on her dress, not too bad. Really not too bad with confetti at all. Little snowman down here. This is so freaking cute. Now, I'm going to tell you a story about Dreamer Designs. I had ordered another Curtis Rajkovic one. I forget what her name was, but she was all black with pink hair. And I got about a third of the way through the canvas, and I got frustrated because the diamonds were just like sliding on the glue. Oh yeah, much stickier. Like I would place them and they would never come off my placer no matter what medium I was using. I could not use even just plain old cheap wax. So I got really mad too because this is a huge canvas and I had gotten like a third of the way through and I was like, I can't do this anymore. So I sent videos and images to Dreamer Designs. They responded on the same day, honestly within just a couple hours. And because I showed them video of how it was just sliding around, like literally you could take your finger and move a drill like that. No pressure either. It was just whee! They instantly sent me a brand new kit. So they have great customer service. So I was really impressed with that. Now I think this one should have, what, 2 ABs? All right, I lied. We're going to open these up because I want to find them. Oh, the lovely crinkle sound of plastic. What we live for. Okay. Whew. Gosh, that sound even gives me chills. Alright. So, it's just like Diamond Art Club, but they have them numbered by DMC code and by the number that they correspond to on the sticker. Holy crap, there's a lot of that number. Okay, no ABs there. Beautiful colors though, right? Like more purples, grays, pinks, blues, black. Yep, 310. More purples. Oh, like these dreamy / dreary blues. Got even more in here. I love the blue violets that they've got in here. Oh, I want to get this one now. Gotta finish the ones I have open though. We got a straggler in that one, but no biggie. Now theirs aren't as faceted as Diamond Art Club. So keep that in mind. Oh, look at these blues and greens. Okay, I know there's an AB of some sort in this one. Just I swear there was. More purples, light blues, pinks. Oh, the color scheme of this page is just amazing. Got some more purples. Oh, here we go. Here's our AB. Told you I knew there was something. All right, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Haha. So I miscounted. So we got this purple AB. They're harder to spot with theirs than compared to Diamond Art Club, because Diamond Art Club's just like, boing, there they are. But look at how many are in this one. So we got a purple, a pink, a white, a dark purple, and oh, the AB coating on this one is really cool. And then we've got a blue. So yeah, those are the ABs in this one. That's right, they do theirs backwards, so their ABs are always at the end of the sticker chart. So ignore me, I forgot. Okay, I'm gonna get this all back in the bag and then we'll open the next one. By the power of pause and re-record, it's in a bag. All right. Hopefully I can put that back in the box. Okay, so this is another Curtis Reykjavik. Like I said, that's all I buy from Dreamer Designs right now. Simply because they don't have as sparkly and multifaceted drills just yet, like Diamond Art Club. I mean, if you compare Diamond Art Club drill to theirs, you can instantly see the difference. But this artist, I can only find here, and my gosh, I love his work. Okay, so this one, pop this thing open. Can't break nail on camera. Okay. Okay, this one is packaged funky. The drills are outside of the canvas. That's interesting. I can feel them. Although, you know, that does make it a lot easier to deal with. Thinking. Okay, so this is a smaller kit, so I'm going to show you that one. Okay, so my canvas still rolls with the cute little thing. My drills. Hang on. More drills. Lots of drills. Oh my. Alright, so I'll show you what's in this bag. Originally I wasn't going to, but it has the old bag. Or the old goodies, I should say. Okay. So you'll always get slightly different. Now, here's where they've got... okay. So, in this one, you get 2 small trays with Dreamer Designs. The baggies, you still get the 2 squishies, and then the 2 placers, including the one that's better for ABs. And then you get the same accessories. So those are the same thing again. This one's square, by the way, but I got tweezers on my round kit and my square kit. Do you know how many tweezers I own now? More tweezers than I'll ever need. And then you get 2 pink waxes in this bag. Okay. Now I want to show you this one. This is called Moon Lily. Oh. Are we at the top? Yes, we are. Look at this one. And this is their old stickers. We'll talk about that in a minute. So some of their older kits are going to have the old icky stickers. All right. Again, 23.6 by 31.5. Wow, can't talk. So here she is, and it's mostly all face for this one. She's got like a little teddy bear, her crazy cat up here. Look at that face. It is freaking gorgeous. Look at the purples and pinks and blues. Oh my gosh. It is awesome. Okay, so this is their older kit. So in the older kits, get this little doodad, but also you get these. They're not pre-cut. They are a sticker. Oh, I can't get my nails in there. But you're going to have to cut them yourself. And this one has 66 colors. I got to cut this 66 times. Well, technically a little less, but you know what I mean. But you know it was going to be big when you got 2 bags of drills. They are square. Now, one thing I like about Dreamer Designs is they do give you more ABs than your typical Diamond Art Club canvas. But again, like their squares are not as multifaceted as a Diamond Art Club one. This one has 4 ABs. And yeah, I'll just have to sit here and tediously snip away. Luckily, I don't plan on cutting this one up as quickly as the other one. So 66 colors. Holy cow. Let's see if I can see where some of these ABs are. So we got some of the ABs right here in this eye. Do we not have any of the ABs in the other eye? That's kind of odd. So she's going to have one sparkly eye. Okay. I love their symbols too. Let's see. Where's this 3? Do I see the 3 anywhere? Oh, it looks like it's going to come in through her hair for that AB. M. Do I see any M's? I would expect some to be on that eye if this eye is sparkling, but it's only sparkling here and right there. Where is M? I wonder if it's on like the cat. Oh yeah. So some of that one will be on the cat. We got like the cat's whiskers, it looks like. A little bit of AB action on the teddy bear. And then the other one is this O. And yeah, looks like the bear's eyes. Cat's eyes are going to have sparkles. The whiskers are definitely going to have ABs. Okay, and she'll have that one, which I assume is going to be white, in both eyes. Wow, this thing is huge. So, that is my Dreamer Design haul. I actually like how they do it separate. I prefer it that way because then it's just easier to get in and out of the bag, personally. I do not like this part, though. But it is what it is, right? If you just sit there and snip them, and then you'll just, unfortunately, me, with nails, I'm going to have to sit here and fiddle with a craft knife. But yeah, so I got the Moon Lily kit, and what was it? Snowflake Susie? And I think if you haven't tried Dreamer Designs, definitely go check them out, even if it's just for the Curtis Reykjavik art, because like I said, that's all I buy from them. And they are just so pretty, and I need to find adult coloring pages for these because I would be in heaven. So if anyone does know where I can find the adult coloring pages for these, could you like holler at me? I'd love to know. I've seen his artwork privately, but I haven't found any pages I can color, and I want to because of the hair. The hair, every girl has loads of hair. And you guys know I love to color hair. All right, everyone. Until next time, take care. Bye now.